Hi, this is my review for these dog furniture, couch, bed, whatever covers. So you can see the back. There's all these little like paw prints to help grip. There's a couple layers there to help prevent water from going through. And I'm gonna put it on the yoga mat so you can really see how big it is. I mean, this is almost the length of a regular size yoga mat. In fact, this is exactly like the size of my yoga mat. So they wash really well. I have 2 of them, and I use them, like I said, on the couch. I'll use it on the bed. I've even used them in the car. I've washed them a whole bunch. They stay really soft. Nothing is pilled on them, and they've just really stayed in good shape considering how much I use them and how many dogs walk all over them all the time.
We love this waterproof pet blanket. It's big and spacious. It comes in multiple sizes, so we got this large one. You can even pull it up a little further to go over your pillows if you want, because it has space on this side to be pulled up a little further. You don't have to worry about dog odor, dirt, accidents, because it's waterproof. And it also has these little paw print grippies, so it won't slide off the bed, or if you want it on a couch. We do have a smaller size that we put on the couch, and it works great on that as well. And they love it, because then they can hang out.
So I brought 2 of these, and I took one and cut it in half and just put it here. Protects the leather and protects the thread from the dog's nails, and it won't get the dog smell on it. So it's a very high quality for the price. I think we're getting a great bargain.
What are you doing? Don't fall off the edge.
We bought this so that my husband would stop using the ugly towel, which did not stay in place. This one he loves, does stay in place. Like the color, like the feel. It is waterproof, which we didn't really need, but it is perfect.